Hey everybody, and welcome to the next video for the project Build a Data Analysis Library from Scratch in Python. In this video we are going to be getting ready to start Pandas Cub. Okay, so there's just a couple things that I'd like to cover before we start editing the dunderynit.py file and starting to complete the steps. So in the very last video we added one line into the dunderynit.py file, this print function. So let's go ahead and erase that and bring it back to its original state. So this again is the only file that you will be editing for the entire project. Now, one other thing is the answers to all the steps, and there are 40 steps. So if we look over here, we'll see they just begin at 1, and if you go all the way down to the bottom, you will see that there are 40 steps. So the answer, the final version of Pandas Cub, is available in that Pandas Cub final directory, and it's a file with the exact same name, dunderynit.py. So you can look at that to see the code that will complete all of the tests. So I only recommend looking at this once you've at least attempted to complete each step and not beforehand. But this is the answer key and what you can use to compare your code against the code that I wrote. Okay, so this is all. We finally covered all the necessary work getting set up for the project. And in the next video, we're going to begin with step 1, which is check the data frame constructor input types. All right, see you there.